Hey friends, Billy from LM Cases here, and today we are going to take a look at a Tam Tam case. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with orchestral percussion, a Tam Tam is very similar to a gong. And this is a case that we designed for the U.S. Army Field Band. And I think this is rather unique. Out of all of my experience here at LM, I've never made a gong or a Tam Tam case in this particular instance. So we'll show you what we're up to here. So this is an aluminum frame that we TIG welded here at LM. And it has two eye hooks on the top to hang the Tam Tam. And on the inside of this, there is half-inch cross-link foam that is laminated right here, so that if the Tam Tam comes in contact with the sides of the frame, it's not going to scratch either the frame or damage the instrument. The inside of the case, which this is called a G-style case, it is split in the middle, has these foam blocks that are on either side. So this actually, it's kind of difficult to see from this camera angle, and I'm shooting into a black case here, but this allows the Tam Tam to be mounted during transportation and have it not swing, or at least not swing that much. The people that are using this assured us that this is fine and this is what they want. So we were looking to do a little bit more as far as securing it from being a giant swing, but hey, that's what they wanted. So the case itself is fairly simple. This is just a 3/8 ATA with a split top lid. That's really nothing crazy. We've got the bottom is basically carpet lined. It's riding on 4-inch Coulson casters, and that's basically as far as it goes. But it does just show some of the metal fabrication skills that we do have here. This is fairly easy. It's just a frame, but I thought you guys would think it's cool. And if you're shopping for a Tam Tam case, LM is happy to make you one because we now have this design on file. So if you'd like more information on this case, you can, of course, email me, billy@lmcases.com, or you can check the link in the description to be mystically and magically transported to the website to see some still pictures with maybe not the worst narrator in the history of the world, aka me. So you can obviously check this out at lmcases.com. And if you'd like to follow the daily goings-on at LM, including things like Tam Tam cases, check us out on Instagram. We are LM_cases. Thanks so much for stopping by. Catch you guys on the next one. Bye.